Welcome to the Design Classroom. Today, we're diving into the image-to-image feature, an incredibly powerful tool that takes your sketches and transforms them into fully rendered images. This can be used in architectural design, jewelry design, and many other fields. Plus, it lets you convert your images into various artistic styles. Sounds exciting, right? Let's jump in and see how it works. First, you'll need an image on your canvas. Simply click in the center of the canvas and upload your original picture. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. Make sure your canvas and image have the same aspect ratio. The image-to-image tool works based on what's displayed on your canvas, so if the proportions don't match, the results might not turn out the way you expect. But no worries. If your image and canvas size don't line up, just head to the header at the top of the screen and click Fit to Content. This will instantly adjust the canvas to match your image's dimensions. Once that's all set, go ahead and click on Image to Image in the global side. Now, let's move on to style selection. Here, you'll find different categories to help you quickly locate the artistic style you need. And if you want something truly unique, you can even create your own custom style. Once you've picked a style, you're ready to start tweaking your image settings. Now, in this text box, you can type in a description of how you want your final image to look. But here's the thing, you don't have to fill it in if you don't want to. If you leave it blank, the system will automatically generate a stylized image based on the style you selected. If you want to add a prompt but you're not sure how to describe it, don't worry. Just click Describe Canvas, and you'll get an auto-generated description of your original image on the canvas. From there, all you have to do is make a few tweaks to match your vision. And don't worry, I'll be showing a real example at the end of this video, so stick around for that. Style Intensity adjusts how strongly the chosen style influences the generated image. Structure Match. This controls how closely the final image follows your original. Move the slider to the right for a stronger resemblance. Color Match adjusts the color tone of your image. Face Match ensures the same face remains consistent across multiple images, perfect for character design. We'll cover this in detail in a separate tutorial. For even higher quality results, you can enable high quality mode. And if you want more control, open the advanced settings, where you can add negative prompts to refine your output. This step is totally optional. Once everything looks good, click Generate and let Dzine do its magic. Your results will appear on the right side of the screen. You can hover over the thumbnails to preview them in greater detail. All right, now let's take a look at how you can control your image by tweaking the prompt. In this example, I want to generate a rendered living room image with a green sofa. So first, I'll click Describe Canvas to get a detailed description of the existing image on the canvas. Now, keep in mind that the image on my canvas is actually a line art sketch, so I'll need to modify the generated description to make sure the final image is rendered properly. To do that, I'll simply add green to the sofa description so the AI knows exactly what color I want. Once we update the prompt, we can generate an image that better matches our vision. It's that easy. And that's it! Now you know how to use the image-to-image feature, so go ahead and give it a try. You can also click the Dzine icon to follow our channel and make sure you never miss a video. See you next time!